Welcome to day 28, Chopsticks. This one's in 3, and the little V is an accent, so you give a little bit more edge. Open C, D, and E are all open, all in a row, because you're getting up to the higher part of the horn. If you're playing trumpet, D is first valve. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Harmony. 1, 2, 3, 1. There was a first and second ending, so you play the first ending and then you jump back and then you skip the first ending the second time and jump to the second ending. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up or accent the like button, as the boys say. Have a great day, and don't forget to spin.